In question number 8, this is question number 8, it says that there is a statue which is 1.6 meter tall that stands on a pedestal. So let's make the diagram first. I make this pedestal here is this, over which there is a statue. Let's say this be the statue over which, right, I made a statue over here. And further, it says that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation. So let's to choose a point on the ground. For that, I'm making a straight line on the base, and then there are angle of elevations, right? And the angle of elevation first is made on the top of the statue. So this is the top of the statue where the angle of elevation made, and this is given as 60 degree. So this is given as 60 degree as it is given. From the same point, let me write down these points. We have taken AB as the height of the statue, BC as the pedestal, and P is the point of observation. Now from the same point, that is P, this time the angle of elevation so formed is on the top of the pedestal. This is the top of the pedestal. This time it is mentioned as 45 degree. So this angle is given as 45 degree. Further, we know the height of the statue, which is given as 1.6 meter tall is the height of the statue, and we have to get the height of the pedestal. So from the question, we get to know that the height of the pedestal, that is BC, is what we have to find out. As of now, we can take this length of the BC as X. Like from here till here, we have taken this as X. Now for solving, what we are going to do is to take a right angle triangle. We can start with any right angle triangle. Say if I start with the first one, that is in triangle PBC. So in right triangle PBC, we have tan 45. So that is tan 45 is equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is PC, that divided by base, which is PC. The value of tan 45 is 1. And the value of BC, as we can see from the figure, it is, we have taken as X over PC. Now with cross multiplication, we get PC is equal to X. Now we'll take the other right angle triangle. So the next one, in right triangle APC, we have tan 60. So tan 60 is equal to perpendicular. From the figure, the perpendicular is AC, that divided by base, which is PC. The value of tan 60 is √3 AC. From the figure, let's see what is AC here. This is 1.6 plus X. So the length of AC is X plus 1.6 over PC. Now we know the value of PC. So we can place PC as X here. Now with cross multiplication, we'll get √3x is equal to X plus 1.6. On transposing X to the left, I'll get this. Further, what we can do is to take X as common. Now, if I take X as common from here, right? If we take X as common, we'll get √3 minus 1 on the left, which is equal to 1.6. Finally, sorry, I'm taking X as common here, and that is √3 minus 1, which is equal to 1.6. On transposing √3 minus 1 on the other side, it will be divided. As we know that we do not leave the answer with irrational denominator, so we must rationalize it. So it's √3 plus 1 multiplied divided by √3 plus 1. Now, further solving is we have to get the value of this in the simplified form. So for that, I'm doing this. This is 1.6 that multiplied by √3 plus 1, and below is a plus b, a minus b. That is a plus b, a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. That is √3 square minus 1 square. So finally, X is equal to is 1.6 bracket √3 plus 1 over √3 square is 3. So 3 minus 1. So X is equal to 1.6 √3 plus 1 over 2. And then we can reduce it further to get it 0.8. So the final answer should be 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1. We leave the answer here only. That's the final answer.